Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your CVS employee account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser, search my HR CVS employee. After searching it, you'll see Enterprise Login Form CVS Health on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your username and your password. Just log in. If you are having issues logging in, you can click Reset Password. Choose the option that fits you best. And that's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to give thumbs up. Comments with feedbacks are appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.